when we are confronted with the concept of giving, we're not looking in the direction of motives of greed or motives of, well, I'm going to do this so just to kind of cover my tracks. I've met people like that. It's like an insurance policy. Well, I'll come to church and I'll give just to make sure that, what? You don't go to hell? Because that's not a relationship with God. And these are hard things to just come out and say, but I decided I'd be blunt about it because people need to hear the bluntness of the message.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before Him.